You won't believe what we found hiding here for over 40 years. A 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. Every corner of this car tells a story. Today, we bring it back to life.
Every detail matters, from the engine to the tiniest chrome trim. From rust to brilliance, this Cadillac is transforming before our eyes.
The interior, the soul of the car, restored to perfection.
From junkyard to showroom glory, the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz lives again.
Subscribe to see more insane restorations and rare classic cars brought back to life.